collect and curate all objective data and implement every known model, method, and algorithm. So when they say all objective data, they mean all objective data. Like there is everything on Wolfram Alpha. You look here, you can see all the different topics you can go through. I'll get into that a little bit in a minute. An instructor or an educator would use this in a classroom. I would say probably ideally like in collaboration with a lesson plan that you made or a lesson plan from another trusted subject or source. It has a few lesson plans on it, like pre-made lesson plans. They're not great, they're just kind of like the pages on here, how they are already. Other uses for the project or product, you can build lesson plans off of it. You can cite all the sources are primary sources, so it's great for like research papers, things like that. You can use it from grade K to higher education. Like as you can see, all of the topics are there's a pretty wide range of topics. Let's see. Chris, do you want to just
Yeah, sure.
see if they want
So what I liked about this application is I think it'd be great for like if you were assigned a research project. It has a lot of great like jump off points. So let's say you are assigned an artist and you don't know much about art, so you're going to go with Vincent van Gogh. So boom, you have place of birth, you have time of date of death, you have a bunch of notable facts. It's just, I thought it was great because it not only does it give you this information, but it gives you like visuals, little graphs. I'll show you. It actually, you can type in, if you're in a math class, you can type in like a math equation and it'll oh wait, I totally mixed it. So it gives you like a graph. It actually shows you step by step. One of the downfalls to this site is you would have to pay for the pro version to get detailed steps to like equations and stuff like that. But I thought it was kind of cool because it had like different ways to show you.
Yeah, I mean, there's the math on here is really, I mean, unbelievable. You can just tell it to plot things, and it'll plot them on a graph. It's like a graphing calculator essentially. It's accessible from any browser, any phone or device that has internet access. There is a subscription version, like you said, but the free version is pretty solid. So, what do you want to learn about? I want one suggestion for something we can type in. Something you don't think it would have.
I saw sports on here.
Sports. All right. Yeah. Let's go look at sports. So. Yeah, and that's good. So. Where's sports?
There it is.
When you click on one of these, it does a really good job of giving you suggestions as to like what kind of stuff you want to search for. So, as you can see, they're all listed out there. Stadiums, video games. Player statistics.
I found this page is more of like it's a way to like jumpstart you. Maybe if you don't know what you want to search about with the sports or whatever, it had like, little factoids and like things that can actually get you going in the right direction.
Yeah. So like for sharing, what was it? Not sharing. Yeah, like sharing and
Collaboration.
No, what was the other one?
Communication.
Yeah, communication and connection. You can share all this stuff on social medias like YouTube and You know, just Twitter and Facebook. Like I've seen, like my mentor last semester had a class Twitter account that she would, you know, tweet to them every night or every week about their assignments and stuff. So you could, you know, you could use it like that. That would be pretty cool.
We wish it didn't. I don't think it has any audio versions, at least with the free version of this app. So if you were, I mean, it's not as friendly towards people with disabilities.
Like it'd be nice if it read you, you know.
But
you could just,
then again, I don't have the pro version, so it may include that. But with this version, that was one of its drawbacks. Another thing is, some search engines have specific search bars. This one only has the top one, as you see up there. So if you were looking for like a keyword, it doesn't really have that. But where it doesn't have that, I think it makes up with the subcategories you can go to. So I like that about this application.
Also, I mean, if those of you who have iPhones, this is what Siri is powered by. So when you ask Siri a question, you'll see the answer in the little Wolfram Alpha symbol in the bottom corner. So I thought that was pretty cool.
And one last thing, I noticed a lot in my education experience, a lot of teachers don't like Wikipedia. This might be a good alternative towards Wikipedia. So
All primary sources.
that's why I really do like this app, and I think a lot of people could use it in a wide variety of grades and age groups. So that's all we got.